Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a schedule to create WordPress website backups using a free plugin. So first of all, let me log in into my website. Let me click on login button, and after that I will be redirected to the WordPress dashboard. Here you can see this one, and I'm choosing UpdraftPlus plugin for the backup. So click here. You can install this free plugin and you can create backups. So now scroll down and click on settings, and here you can see by default manual option is selected, so you can select it from the list. Here you can see every 2 hours, every 4 hours, and here you can see these are different options. So for example, if you select this one every 2 hours, then it will create backups in this time. Then scroll down, and here you can see additional settings. You can use it as well as you can skip. Then after that, final step is click on save changes. So thank you for watching video.